In front of me is TECNO Pova 6 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Sound and Vibration. Now scroll down. Sorry, misclick. Now scroll down to access Vibrate Phone calls and apply the best option for your incoming calls. Always vibrate or never vibrate. Then click on Haptics and Sounds. Go into Haptic Feedback and enable or disable it thanks to this switcher. If you decided to turn it on, you can also adjust intensity of vibration feedback thanks to this slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!